Hi, I'm Jordan Gendron, and this is my digital portfolio. This is the home page. I have my name, Jordan Gendron, future educator, and I have two icon buttons that go to my most important pages, the About Me and the Contact Me. And then I have this flowers in the back. So these are my professional websites with a little information on each one, and each link is each title is a hyperlink which takes you to each website that I have here. If it'll load. Alright, that's that. I have my LinkedIn account also on my homepage with a little description and the link. That'll take you right to my page. Then the image is also linked to my page, so it does both dual purpose. I just added some more flowers. This is the poll for my digital portfolio. I have what was your favorite page, and I also have did you enjoy this website? And then I also left a place for comments as well. Moving on, my About Me page. I have yellow. Yellow's my favorite color. I have the slideshow, pictures of me from just normal days, and also my high school graduation and my community college graduation. So I have 2 and 2. I have a little summary about me over here, and then I have my intro to the class this semester video down below. Next, I have my blogs. So here I put my blog homepage here at the top, so that way it'll take me right to my homepage. Here are the reading responses for each chapter we did this semester, with a little description about like what book it's from and who the author is. This image over here also takes you to the homepage, to my blog. These are the Smackdown blogs that we did. So each of my Smackdowns and each of the blue, wherever you see blue, you can click on each of my, I'll do one for example, and it'll take you right to my, whatever that blog is. So blog 1 is here, and I put the title with it so that you know what it's for, and then it goes right into the blog when you click on the blue text. Same with the Smackdowns. So my cram Smackdown is right here, and here's the video here. You can get to my Smackdowns 2 different ways, but I'll get into detail with that later. And then these are the other blogs we also did this semester that aren't a Smackdown or a reading blog, but we made blogs for them, like the intro to the classmates, the storytelling, social media etiquette, and wrapping it up. I'll click on one of them just for an example. It's my intro to classmates blog. Alright, so those are my blogs. Next is my Smackdowns. So here are all my Smackdowns I've completed through the semester, and then I describe what a Smackdown was. And so I have the video here, and then I have the description here for each one. This is my second one. Same thing, video, and then description, and same for the third one, which is video and description. So since we did 3 Smackdowns, I got all of them. And then you can go to the tools button. This is the tools and projects button. This is my 5 useful tools. I did Cram, Gmail, MyFitnessPal, ThingLink, and Quizlet. Each with a description here. And then I have my projects here that we did. I have my social media etiquette project with a little description here with a picture, and then my voice thread for my entire project is here with the blue hyperlink. And then we have my storytelling images, and here we have like both pictures that I did for the storytelling images. That's it for tools and projects. And then we have the contact page, so you can get in touch. You could type in your name, your email, and a comment. It'll get sent right to me. And then down below I have a graduation picture, and I have Stockton University map right here. And yeah, so everyone knows where I'm located at school. So that's the end of my blog. I mean my website. You can just see that these buttons work also. And they take you to both pages. And then I also have at the bottom, this goes to home, this goes to the About Me, the About Me page. And then I just have the other two. And then I have my LinkedIn social icon here, I have my email icon here, and I have my YouTube here. So those are 3 ways like you could contact me, and my like 3 social medias that I have professionally for school. So, yep, that's the end of my digital portfolio. Thank you.